New Year's resolutions, and our Smart Shopper team is taking action to help out getting you deals so that you can stick to those new goals and habits.
I like it. Some of you may want to freshen up your look, maybe specifically your mane. Here's our Smart Shopper, Chelsea Davis.
You've all heard the phrase, new year, new you. And if that's your goal, you're going to want to come right here to Xtension Envy. This place started as a beauty supply. They have all kinds of products, but now they're focusing on high-quality extensions with real human hair, and they offer all kinds of services.
We do things a little differently here. We have a membership program which will save you up to 50% off of your extensions. So depending upon which technique you choose, you have to come in every 4 to 8 weeks to get it maintenance, and it includes all of that. So it makes it super fun and affordable.
Beauty on a budget is hard to find, so that's why we're trimming the prices with our Smart Shopper deal of the day. Ladies and gents, a cut and color here would normally cost $140, but you're going to get it for $90. You have all day long until 5 p.m. on Wednesday and Thursday to call and book an appointment. Be sure to mention Smart Shopper in order to get the deal. Or if you'd rather look like Rapunzel, they have hair extension deals for you too. Normally they range from $4.99 to $9.99, but not for you Smart Shoppers. You're going to score $200 off when you mention Smart Shopper. So don't brush off your New Year's resolutions. This deal will help extend them. For more details, go to our website, abc15.com/smartshopper.
I always love how they play along.
I know.
Yes.
They were really good sports. They were lots of fun over there. So if you want to check it out, and if you sign up for that membership, you get 10 to 15% off of other services and select products in the store. So definitely worth checking out.
Great deal.
Extension's not for me.
Yeah,
not
I
for
don't know,
me.
Dan. That might not be your look.
No, I don't know if you could rock
Maybe
it.
so. I don't know. It's a new year, Iris. New year, new look.